I thought I could walk you through this at least. This is just a generic frozen bag of vegetables from Walmart. So what you can do with this is, what I've already done is I put my little olive oil spray on there so that they have just a light coating of olive oil. It'll help them cook a little better and to retain in their moisture so that it doesn't just evaporate out and make them dry. So then after that, all we do is put a little bit of seasonings on. Here I've got chipotle and roasted garlic steak seasoning is I think what this is. So we just put some of that on, and I got some seasoned salt here too. And that's about it. That's how you essentially make your plain vegetables a little more zazzled up, I guess. It makes them better because plain vegetables are just bland and nobody wants to eat plain vegetables. So yeah, if you ever have any issues with making some side dishes, you can just add a little bit of seasoning so that it's not so plain, and you should be good. And then you just put these in at 425 for about 20 minutes, and they should be good at that point. There you have it. See? Easy.